I might sip the whole shot. Nah. Go ahead. We're not starting the game back. Go ahead.
You gotta do it.
Now look, hold on, when she's done, then that's when I drink. Now go ahead.
As soon as she puts it to her mouth,
Go ahead.
and then when do I stop?
Whenever you want. Once the person makes whenever you want.
Whenever I stop?
Whenever he wants.
Whenever
You
you
can't
stop.
stop to the person next to you. Stop.
Swallow it though.
So whenever you start, you can start whenever you want.
And then if I stop, then he has to.
No. You can stop whenever you want.
You can start whenever you want.
All right, ready? Ready, everyone? All right, ready? Got your glass.
You can't stop.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Oh, you gotta take your little man off. Remember?
Yo, y'all can't tell people the rules, yo. People got to forget.
Exactly. I did it.
All right, but then we have to have somebody that's watching.
All right, I'm watching.
Yo, y'all ready? Come on. Record this. Make sure you recording this. Watch. The champ is here, nigga. The champ is here.
Down.
Ready? One,
Down.
2, 1.
Some bullshit, yo.
Go.
I see you didn't start yet.
No, you gotta pick up. We don't pick up. Chug. You gotta chug. Keep chugging. You gotta chug it. Y'all don't stop. Keep chugging. Keep chugging. You gotta keep chugging. All right. Keep chugging. He's still chugging.
Oh, I couldn't do it.
He's still chugging. Okay, so as soon as he's done, you can stop.
I tell y'all niggas, drink all that shit right now.
No, y'all can't.
We not starting the next game until all that is drunk.